Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E14, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold your power button, and from the boot options, hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, so you want to confirm it by selecting OK. This will now restart the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically goes into safe mode. Now, as you can see, once the device boots up, we do have this watermarking right here at the bottom telling us that we are in safe mode. And in this mode, any application that isn't supported, or basically any kind of third-party application, becomes grayed out. So if you try to select it, it gives you the pop-up downloaded apps disabled in the safe mode. There's almost an entire page of them in here. So you can troubleshoot your device from here. Once you're done doing so and you want to go back to normal mode, hold your power button and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.